Welcome to Saw Masters, where you'll see powerful chainsaws, giant tree trunks, and the world's most advanced forestry machines. From chainsaws to heavy forestry equipment, we bring you the most realistic and impressive images of the world. Explore now. With the precision of seasoned professionals, loggers use the Husqvarna 560 XP chainsaw to process uprooted trees. Every cut is deliberate, every motion efficient, transforming fallen giants into neatly stacked timber, ready for transport. In the heart of a frozen wilderness, skilled loggers brave the icy cold to bring down massive trees. Equipped with protective gear and powerful chainsaws, they slice through the frozen trunks with precision. As the blade roars, the tree succumbs, crashing to the snowy ground with an earth-shaking impact. Armed with high-powered steel chainsaws, loggers bring down towering pines with expert precision. Each cut is calculated, ensuring safe and controlled falls. A logger steadies his grip on a powerful chainsaw, guiding it through the massive tree trunk. As the final cut is made, the tree gives way, crashing to the ground with a resounding echo that ripples through the forest. High above the forest floor, a specialized crane, equipped with a mounted saw, trims towering trees with mechanical precision. Branches tumble effortlessly to the ground, making way for safer, controlled forestry operations. The Tajfun RCA 400 Joy firewood processor makes light work of massive logs. With swift and precise cuts, it transforms timber into ready-to-use firewood in seconds. Inside the cockpit of the Komatsu 931XC, an operator masterfully maneuvers the C-124 harvester head. With unmatched power and speed, it grips, cuts, and processes trees in mere seconds, redefining efficiency in modern logging. Inside the cockpit of the Komatsu 931XC, an operator masterfully maneuvers the C-124 harvester head. With unmatched power and speed, it grips, cuts, and processes trees in mere seconds, redefining efficiency in modern logging. The John Deere 640 skidder roars to life, its massive tires churning through thick snow, dragging enormous logs with unyielding power. It carves deep tracks through the winter landscape, proving its dominance over nature's harshest conditions. With steady hands and a keen eye, a professional sawyer guides the chainsaw through massive logs, crafting smooth and even planks ready for the mill. The CBI 6800 CT Land Clear arrives on site, its formidable grinding teeth reducing entire trees to sawdust in a matter of moments. The power of industrial wood processing on full display. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next Saw Masters Adventures.